Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. It is almost Christmas. Well, we got a month and a half-ish. So, we're doing Christmas cards. First, my cardstock. And for this one, I'm gonna add a yellow background. Start with this. This doesn't have a lot of tiny details, so I can just use a regular glue instead of the one that you usually see me use. Alright, good. Place it in the middle. If you can hear some strange noises from the background, it's my dog playing with his toy. Then I have this Christmassy embossing foldered paper. I did a few of these in advance, so whenever I just need one, I can just grab one and do my thing. I have no idea where the actual embossing folder for this is right now. I just have these in a box, which is very smart. Oh, that's okay, because if you sit down and do a couple of these at once, then you're gonna save yourself a lot of time. So whenever you do something, you can just grab, and you saved at least a few minutes. Right in the middle. Perfect. Oh, that's beautiful. Here I have a die set, which has two kinds of cars. You can either use this bug, or you can use a truck. And we're gonna do the truck. For this, I will need my trusty glue. I have left links down below in case someone wants to try out this glue, which is absolutely amazing. I swear by it. Here are my few items, and I did them all in a different color. And the reason why I love sets like this one is that they're all separated, so they're not gonna be just one color. Okay, so this needs to be just halfway glued, and just on the top right here. And then there's lines over there that guides you where you should be putting this. Ta-da! And then the little one. I want that little shine to face that way. And just right on the middle. Perfect. Also, if you haven't heard, I am doing giveaways with Christmas stamps and dies, and one of the giveaways before Christmas is going to be only Christmas themed stuff. So right now I'm doing Christmas and some other ones that I have. So if you want to add some Christmas stuff to your collection, make sure you go and play my giveaways. I'm gonna do at least one a week. Okay, this I am gonna put a little bit underneath. Make sure you close that glue. Alright, so lift this a little bit, and then okay, I love it. Yes! Oh, so cute. And now we just need a sentiment. Okay, for the sentiment, I am using this Merry Christmas, and it's pretty big, and by itself blue will be very nice. But I'm gonna add a little bit of shine and use clear gloss. A scrap paper. Now this scrap paper has been through a lot. First, dust it off a little bit, and what I'm gonna do is just stamp on it. As much as I can. Okay, I think that should be enough. I need coffee filter, and I'm gonna grab just a tiny little bit on the edge, which will not be noticeable. I'm gonna pour this over. Everywhere. This is fine clear powder. I do have one that's thicker, but I don't like it. It just, for me, it didn't melt. It flew all over the place. So I prefer the fine clear. I'm gonna come over here for a second, and this is where I'm gonna heat up my Christmas sentiment. So first let the gun heat up a little. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, so here is my card, and here is what we just made. Look how beautiful it is. Yeah, I just use a regular navy blue paper for the sentiment. I'm gonna put it right in the middle. Somehow I got a little bit of glitter in there too. Anyways, let me grab that one more time. Putting a little bit of glue here and there. Do you guys make Christmas cards, or do you just buy them when you're giving it to friends, family? Me, I used to just buy them. Now I make them. This is done. It came out so pretty, and I think that little gloss gives it such a beautiful details. It's dark, but it's not black, so it's still very cozy. That's how I would say. That's how I would call this card. It's very cozy. It's nice to look at. It came out really good. Okay, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. As usual, there's an open giveaway going on right now. Good luck and Merry almost Christmas.